Take us back to the months of 2020 when all of our lives got disrupted, and specifically with your guys' brands.
Out of all medical claims, telemedicine was actually around only 0.2 or 0.4% of all medical claims prior. But in April 2020, that actually shot up to about 13% of all claims, and has since dropped down to about 5 to 7% of medical claims are now done through telemedicine. So while it's a huge sort of drop from that particular summit, it's still a huge spike to where things were today. So Keeps is really no exception to that rule, and we've seen that sustained all throughout 2021. My sort of hypothesis on that is that on Zoom, right, you keep seeing your face, and so if you see your hairline recede, like maybe it's something that you want to treat online. So, but overall, right, like we have seen this like gigantic spike during this time period.
The pandemic also made advertisers pull away from some of the digital platforms, so it made advertising a lot more efficient and a lot cheaper too. Right. So that combination of like, you can get advertising for a lot cheaper, get people through the funnel a lot faster, and telemedicine becoming a little bit more mainstream and more acceptable by the general public helped us kind of propel the business to a level that we did not expect or foresee, especially launching a brand in a time that's a little bit of a challenging time.
Want to watch the full video? Check out the link below to view more.